Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in my previous video, we learned about the prepositions of place at, on, in. Today we're gonna learn the same prepositions at, on, in, but this time we're gonna use them to express time. Just like in my earlier video, we will also use the triangle method. So we put at the top, on in the middle, and in at the bottom. As you can see, at is still used for very specific or narrow situations. At is used for specific hour, example, at 4 p.m., at 7 o'clock. At is used for specific times of the day, example, at sunset, at sunrise, at bedtime, or at dawn. When you use the word night, use it with at night. At is also used for mealtime, example, at breakfast, at lunch, at dinner time, or at dinner. Just a little exception, we use at to express Christmas time, at Christmas time, or at Christmas. Let's move on to the next preposition, the preposition on. On is used for a little broader. On is used for the days of the week. Example, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, and on Sunday. It is also used for special day. Example, on Christmas Day, on New Year's Eve, on Thanksgiving Day. On is also used for specific date, like on July 25th, or you can say on the 25th of July. You can also say on the 4th, on the 17th, or on July 4th. Let's make it easier to remember. On is used for one day or one date. Just use the same example. On Monday, Monday is just one day. On Christmas Day, it's a one special day or it's one event. On July 25th, July 25th is just one date. Or you can say on the 4th, it's one day on the 4th of July. Example sentence, my friend sends me gifts on my birthday. On my birthday, it's just one day on my birthday. Another example, I'm only allowed to open my Christmas gifts on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day. Now for the last preposition, the preposition in. In is the widest or the broadest. It is used for months. Example, in January, in February, in March, in April, and so on. When talking about seasons, we use in. Example, in summer or in summertime, in fall, in spring, in winter, in. It is also used for years. Example, in 1990, example sentence, I was born in 1992. It is also used for decades. Example, in the 1960s or in the 60s. In plus the, then decades. In is also used for centuries. Example, in the 1800s, in the 21st century. In plus the, then century. In the 21st century. When expressing long periods of time, we also use in. Example, in the future, in the past, in 6 years' time. In is also used for parts of the day. Example, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So just keep in mind that in is used for the following expressions. Here's an example conversation using at, on, in. Listen carefully.
Would you like to go to the beach on Friday morning?
On Friday morning, on the 17th?
Yes, on the 17th.
What time in the morning?
How about at 10 a.m.?
At 10 a.m. Alright, sounds good to me.
Now we're done with our lesson, let's have a short quiz to review. Number 1. Blank 6 p.m. Blank 6 p.m. 6 p.m. is specific time of the day, so we use at 6 p.m. Number 2. Blank Sunday. Sunday is a day of the week, and it is one day, so we use on Sunday. Number 3. Winter. Winter is a season, so we use in winter. Number 4. Blank Independence Day. Independence Day is a one-day event. It is a special day, so we use on Independence Day. Number 5. See you blank noon. See you blank noon. What is noon? Noon means at 12 noon. It's a very specific hour, so we use at. See you at noon. Number 6. I'll call you blank Friday. I'll call you blank Friday. Friday, just like Sunday, is a day of the week and it is one day. So we use on Friday. I'll call you on Friday. Number 7. We have a meeting blank 4:30 p.m. We have a meeting blank 4:30 p.m. 4:30 p.m. is a very specific time, so we use at. We have a meeting at 4:30 p.m. At 4:30 p.m. Number 8. They're getting married blank December. They're getting married blank December. December is a month, so we use in December. They're getting married in December. Number 9. She works blank the morning. She works blank the morning. The morning is a part of the day, so we use in. She works in the morning. In the morning. And number 10. Mary was born blank 1989. Mary was born blank 1989. 1989 is a year, so we use in 1989. Mary was born in 1989. That's all for today, guys. I hope you learned a lot from our lesson, how to use at, on, in when expressing time. Just always remember the triangle method from specific to general. At, on, in. And that's what I always say, the easiest way to remember is to practice, practice, practice. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated on my latest videos. Till next time, bye!